The battlefield is changing faster than ever before, and once again the United States Army is pushing the limits of modern warfare. In a recent series of tests, the U.S. Army successfully demonstrated a new highly accurate missile system capable of striking targets at ranges up to 50 kilometers. This development signals a major shift in how ground forces will dominate future conflicts, combining long-range precision, rapid response, and battlefield survivability in ways never seen before. For decades, long-range precision fires were primarily the domain of air power and naval forces. Today, that advantage is rapidly moving into the hands of ground-based units. The newly tested missile, often referred to under the emerging Su-3 precision strike category, represents the Army's effort to bridge the gap between traditional artillery and expensive long-range missile systems. With a 50-kilometer reach, this weapon gives commanders the ability to strike high-value enemy targets far beyond the range of conventional guns while remaining mobile and difficult to detect. What makes this missile truly revolutionary is not just its range, but its accuracy. During recent tests, the missile demonstrated pinpoint precision, capable of hitting targets with minimal deviation even at maximum distance. This level of accuracy dramatically reduces collateral damage, making it suitable for both high-intensity warfare and limited, precision-based operations. In modern conflicts, where civilian areas and military targets are often close together, such precision is no longer optional, it is essential. The missile is designed to integrate seamlessly with the U.S. Army's advanced sensor and targeting networks. Using data from drones, satellites, radar systems, and forward observers, the weapon can receive real-time target updates. This allows it to engage moving targets, including armored vehicles, command posts, and air defense systems. Once launched, the missile can adjust its trajectory mid-flight, ensuring a high probability of kill even in complex battlefield environments. Mobility is another critical advantage of this system. Unlike fixed launch platforms, the missile can be fired from mobile launchers mounted on wheeled or tracked vehicles. This shoot-and-scoot capability allows Army units to fire and relocate quickly, reducing the risk of counter-battery fire. In future conflicts against near-peer adversaries, survivability will depend on speed, mobility, and deception, and this missile checks all three boxes. The development of this weapon is closely tied to the U.S. Army's broader modernization strategy, particularly the emphasis on long-range precision fires, one of the Army's top modernization priorities. The goal is clear: outrange and outmatch potential adversaries. Many rival nations have invested heavily in long-range artillery and missile systems, challenging traditional U.S. dominance. This new 50-kilometer missile helps restore that edge. From a tactical perspective, the missile changes how ground battles are fought. Enemy forces can no longer assume safety simply by staying beyond traditional artillery range. Command centers, logistics hubs, ammunition depots, and air defense systems located deep behind enemy lines are now vulnerable. This forces adversaries to disperse their assets, slow their operations, and devote more resources to defense rather than offense. Another key feature of the missile is its modular design. The Army has indicated that different warhead options may be available, allowing the weapon to be tailored for specific missions. High-explosive warheads can be used against hardened targets, while alternative payloads may be designed for anti-armor or area denial roles. This flexibility makes the system highly adaptable to different theaters of operation. The guidance system is also a major leap forward. Combining GPS guidance with inertial navigation and advanced seekers, the missile remains effective even in contested environments where GPS signals may be jammed or disrupted. Electronic warfare is a growing threat on modern battlefields, and systems that rely solely on GPS are increasingly vulnerable. By incorporating multiple guidance methods, the Army ensures that this missile remains reliable under the most challenging conditions. Beyond its battlefield performance, the missile is also designed with cost-effectiveness in mind. While advanced, it is intended to be more affordable than larger strategic missile systems. This allows commanders to use it more freely without worrying about excessive costs. In prolonged conflicts, sustainability and affordability can be just as important as raw performance. The implications of this weapon extend far beyond the Army alone. Joint operations with Allied forces become more effective when ground units can provide long-range precision fires in support of air and naval operations. This missile enhances interoperability with NATO and other partner nations, many of whom are also seeking to modernize their artillery and missile capabilities. Training and doctrine are already evolving to incorporate this new capability. Army units are learning how to integrate long-range missile fires into combined arms operations, coordinating with infantry, armor, aviation, and cyber units. The result is a more flexible, responsive force capable of dominating across multiple domains. It is also worth noting that this missile plays a critical role in deterrence. By demonstrating the ability to strike accurately at long distances, the U.S. Army sends a clear message to potential adversaries. Any hostile action will be met with rapid, precise, and overwhelming force. Deterrence is not just about nuclear weapons or massive air campaigns, it is also about credible, conventional capabilities that can be employed quickly and decisively. As testing continues, further refinements are expected. Extended range variants, improved seekers, and enhanced network integration are all possibilities for future upgrades. The 50-kilometer range achieved today may only be the beginning. As technology advances, even greater reach and effectiveness could soon become reality. In the broader context of modern warfare, this missile represents a shift toward faster, smarter, and more lethal ground forces. It embodies the lessons learned from recent conflicts, where precision, speed, and information dominance proved decisive. The days of slow, predictable artillery exchanges are fading, replaced by rapid, high-precision strikes that shape the battlefield before the enemy can react. In conclusion, the U.S. Army's successful testing of this new highly accurate 50-kilometer range missile marks a significant milestone in military technology. It enhances battlefield dominance, improves survivability, and provides commanders with unprecedented flexibility. As this system moves closer to full operational deployment, it will undoubtedly become a cornerstone of future Army operations and a key element of U.S. military power in the years to come.